So far, we've spoken of the observable universe, the bubble of space from which light has had time to reach us since the beginning. But beyond that, there's more. More space, more time, possibly more matter, more galaxies, more variations of the universe we know. Not a hard edge, but a soft veil, a boundary of knowledge, not of existence. Imagine the observable universe not as a container, but as a growing horizon. Beyond it stretches a region we'll never see, not because it doesn't exist, but because its light hasn't reached us, and maybe never will. Still, we ask, what's out there? Does that realm look like this one? Does it contain stars and galaxies and structures like ours? Or does it change completely? Does it follow the same laws of physics? Or are there regions where things have unfolded differently, where the constants of nature vary, where space itself behaves in strange and unknown ways? We can't answer with certainty. We have no telescope that can peer past the edge of light. No spacecraft can cross that infinite divide. No signal can arrive from beyond a horizon it can't escape. And yet, we can infer. Because the universe we do see is remarkably uniform. No matter which direction we look, the cosmic microwave background appears nearly identical. Galaxies arrange in similar ways. The rules of physics seem consistent. That suggests the universe continues, at least for a while, more or less as we see it now. But further out, all bets are off. It's entirely possible that the observable universe is just one patch in a much larger cosmic quilt, a single bubble in a vast foam of inflating space, a local neighborhood in a sprawling cosmic city. And if inflation continues, in pockets or eternally, then there may be regions unimaginably far from us where the conditions are entirely different, where stars never formed, where gravity works differently, where even time ticks in unexpected ways. These aren't just poetic speculations, they're serious ideas in modern cosmology. The concept of a multiverse isn't about alternate realities with different versions of you. It's about cosmic diversity, about regions of space that are causally disconnected. Not because they don't exist, but because they're too far away for any information to ever cross the void between. They are real in principle, but unreachable in practice. So we live inside a horizon, not of space, but of understanding. Our universe may be just one possibility, one branch, one stanza in a much larger cosmic symphony. And that's both humbling and exhilarating, because it means that every time we look up at the stars, we're not just seeing what is, we're brushing against the limits of what can ever be known. And beyond those limits lies silence. Not because nothing is there, but because light can't reach us, because time isn't long enough, because space is too wide. Still we wonder, still we imagine. And somehow, despite the walls of silence that surround us, we've learned to listen anyway. We model, we theorize. We look at the patterns within our bubble and ask what they might say about what lies beyond. And even though the answer may always remain just out of reach, the question itself is worth everything. So if someone asks you what's beyond the observable universe, you can say this: we don't know. But the possibility is endless.